I hear a lot of critique on the prices that some people charge for their handmade soap. And before we pretend to know anything about each other's businesses, I just want to gently remind that we all live in different parts of the country where the rules and costs of doing business can vary greatly. The cost of your lard may be different in Arkansas than in Massachusetts. And soap makers have a huge variety of oils and additives that they put into their creations that may be more or less expensive. Rosehip oil is not the same as the palm shortening that I love to use. On top of that, some people need to hire staff while others are quite able to work independently and recognize that paying staff a fair wage for their time is something that should be respected and not discouraged. So each soap maker's prices are carefully thought out based on how they can reasonably get their product to you. One of the things that I've created to help with this is my 2024 Best Price List for soap makers. This is an exclusive PDF that I've created to find the best prices for all my basic needs as a soap maker. Every year I research these oils and ingredients over again to see if the list needs to be updated, and this year I had some surprises. I will be changing where I buy some of my oils after re-updating and recreating this list, and the PDF is available exclusively to members at cottagediy.com in Lesson 10.8, the cheat sheet section. You can view the PDF there and download it for your convenience when you go to restock your supplies for the year. My list gives you a comparison of the top 4 locations with the best prices for both online and in person in American stores.